guys, welcome back. Today we are making some carrot cupcakes with a Halloween twist. So join us on our next episode of our Halloween treats. Let's get baking.
We're going to start with 3 cups of flour and add 3 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we'll mix that well with our whisk. Now you want to get a large bowl and add in 3 cups of shredded carrots, 3 cups of sugar, and your flour mixture. And I find that mixing it a little bit beforehand, before adding your wet ingredients, makes it easier to mix all together. You're going to want to add in 1 3/4 cups of vegetable oil, 1/2 cups of applesauce, and 6 eggs. And you want to mix this well until thoroughly combined, and you can switch to a spatula just to make sure there's no lumps of flour. I am using a mini cupcake tin, and I am filling my cupcake liners 3/4 of the way full, which would be 1.5 large serving spoons. You'll bake these for 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how hot your oven runs. Once your cupcakes are cool, you can ice them however you like with a cream cheese icing. This is the same cream cheese icing recipe that I made in my coconut cake video.
So here's the final product. It is a lovely batch of carrot cupcakes, and we decorated them with some sprinkles that I again got from Walmart. And they're really cool and cute. They have little witches hats and they have little pumpkin pieces in them. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a spooky week. Bye. And they're really cute. They're really cute. I'm not gonna take a bite. I don't like carrot cupcakes. Spooky week.
Wait.
Bye.
I'll take one.
Bye.
This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene. Copyrighted, copyright.
Stop smacking your lips.